Good afternoon, everybody. Matt with Access Auto Sales. Got another one for you. Real nice vehicle. $64.95, only 74,000 miles, and the condition is amazing. Alloy wheels. It's a hatchback with a ton of room. I've already folded down the seats so you can see. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, folks. One part about it that everybody loves upstate New York, all-wheel drive. I actually love the color. It's a really nice orange. Four-door hatchback, automatic, ice-cold air conditioning, steering wheel mounted audio controls. The condition, again, just fantastic. It's in such good shape. It was garaged its whole first life. Oh, I'm sorry, 75,000 miles. No lights, no issues, no stories. Don't know if you can hear it, but right now it is purring like a kitten. Real quiet motor, incredibly fuel efficient. If I can get this thing open here. This is the engine compartment, real clean. Battery's been tested. I mean, look at the inside of that engine compartment. $64.95, only 74,000 miles, all-wheel drive. Where else? Access Auto.